Oh, so I see. It's I see.
It's just morning breakfast time, and Lila's having cereal. Don't move it, baby. Just keep it there. Good timing for me to make a video. You licking it? Lick it. Lick it. You're funny. Oh, you want to lick it?
Yeah.
Okay. Her hair's a hot mess right now. Can I get it? It's kind of like when Uncle Bobby spills his drink and he slurps it off the table. Okay, let me do it.
Mommy?
You have some in there. And that stuff hasn't been on the table. I feel like since her bangs are so short, she's like almost pin-uppy.
Here you go.
Eat it.
Icky.
Now it's icky. All done? Okay, well I guess that's it. She's singing about the dog Akira. And that's Azzy. What?
Oh, she's like here around.
What's she doing?
No.
Do you want me to see? You don't go out there. Say, Kira, what are you doing? Say, what are you doing? You better not. No, inside. Nope. Thank you. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? Essie. Oh, you gave him kisses? My turn. Mwah. Uh-oh, careful. Okay, say bye.